how to withdraw USDT on OKX. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can withdraw USDT on OKX. Now first thing, you have to go ahead and log in into your OKX application, and then you need to select the transfer and withdraw tab. So for that, go to the asset, and here you need to go ahead and select the funding, and under it you'll be able to find multiple tools. So right in center there is transfer. So go ahead and tap on the transfer button, and after that you need to select on chain as your withdrawal process, and you have to select the available crypto you want to withdraw. Due to some security concern, the screen is unavailable, so I'm just going to instruct you. So basically what you'll have to do is, as I was saying, you have to select the available crypto you want to withdraw, and you need to enter in the address or scan the address and select the network in the network field, and you can confirm the transaction. So that's basically how you can withdraw USDT on OKX. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.